Got a rental property in San Diego? Imagine turning that asset into effortless income without the hassle. Managing rentals takes time, experience, and constant attention, from marketing and tenant screening to maintenance and legal compliance. That's where Realty Management Group comes in. We're San Diego's full service property management experts handling everything for you. From rental analysis and world class marketing to tenant placement, 24/7 maintenance, and detailed financial reporting, you're covered. And we back it up with powerful guarantees. We'll lease your property in 30 days or your first month is free. Our happiness guarantee means you can cancel anytime, penalty free. If eviction is ever necessary, we cover filing costs and find a new tenant at no extra charge. Best of all, you only pay when you get paid. Ready to maximize your rental income? Get your free instant rental analysis today at choosermg.com. Realty Management Group, San Diego's trusted property management partner.